Hi YouTube, welcome to the Simon Arnback channel. Today we're gonna unbox, sort of review, the Novation Launchkey 61 Mark III, a keyboard. Yeah. Previously I had the Novation Launchkey 61 Mark I. It wasn't called Mark I because it was the first version, right? And that bad boy we have here. Now it had its flaws, but has served me well for the last, well, I think I got it the release year. So just look that up, and that'll be the year I got it. A keyboard I like very much, though it had very plasticky keys, but that doesn't bother me that much. And very cool stuff, like in general on it, you know. Sliders and stuff, and knob wheels and modulation wheel and pitch, and you get the idea, right? Well, it was time for an upgrade, as well as the mod wheel is starting to act up. It displayed the wrong settings when you turn it. Wrong settings? No, wrong numbers. Right? You have it down here, right? Have it down here. It's supposed to say 0 at this point, but 127 at this point. Well, at this point it could be 11, so, or like 60. So you get the idea. What's time for an upgrade? In the box of, well, the Mark III, you get, well, a manual, or like warranty. Safety instructions, of course, and a USB cable so you can connect it to your computer. Right. You see why I didn't want to do an unboxing video on this one? Because the unboxing was done in 3 seconds. It was very nicely packed. Alright, I'm gonna show you the new one. Woo! Alright, welcome. Here we have the new keyboard. The new keyboard with nice buttons and I don't know if these are better than the old ones, but the older ones sort of had a better feel to them. But they're probably alright. The keys, however, are much better than the old one. Much better. Huge improvement there. Right. Now, I've already cheated and booted this up once, and it gave us a cool animation, so I'm just gonna... Wow. Would you look at that? Now it's connected, and I think you can change the colors on. Oh, it turns green when you touch it. Whee! I think you can change the individual colors of each button. I think. Don't quote me on that. Oh, plastic part. Thing cover, thing whatever. Right, let's boot this up and use it in some stuff. Alright, so now booted up everything. Easy installation. Well, it auto-detected itself. Reason detected that it was the Mark III now, and it has different things to contribute. Contribute. I don't care. Right. So, let's test this one out. Okay. There's an inbuilt ARP button that, activates ARP mode or something. It's amazing. I love it. And this dial actually changes the speed of the ARP or whatever. Or something, right? Here we have scales. With the shift button, I can change the scale to E minor right now. And we have the octave buttons. Buttons you press if you want to change the octave you're playing on. So we have an, I think it's C2? I call it C2, alright? So here's the E on C2. Press the button plus. Now I believe it's C3, and you get the idea. It doesn't go higher than that. Let's go lower. All right, let's get back to business. Shift scale, and we're gonna go back. Shift scale and go C minor again. Now it helps if you know what the scale is or how scales work, because I don't. Might want to check into that. Maybe I should. Fuck it. Let's move on. Now I know this keyboard is primarily designed for Ableton Live Lite. I did not read that from the box. Yes, I did. But it works with all DAWs, naturally. If I remember correctly, you can press some button and you can change the preset you're using. Working on that. Drums, curvature pads, Vegas mode. What the hell is Vegas mode? These are things I don't know what they are. We have a record button right here, and you can use it to immediately start recording. We won't pre on, so. You should be able to do it. Why is it not working? We'll use this one. Woo! Also, shut up. Good. Fine, whatever. Bada bada bum bum bum. Final thoughts. Right, final thoughts time. So I'm happy with the keyboard. The drum pads sort of stopped working the way I wanted them to when I installed a firmware update and a script installer or whatever to Reason. So I'll have to remap stuff, but I'm gonna get those working someday. Not today because I'm tired, and that'll pretty much be it for the video. I'm happy with the keyboard, and it's gonna be fun to play around and make music. I'll take you along for the ride sometimes. Yeah, and so anyway, thanks for watching this little video. I know it's short, but hey, what you gotta do? Hey.